Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bag. That bag been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets. Cari crew, as y'all can see, man, we are in the city. We're in the city with it, man. I just want to turn the camera on a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I can't roll my window down right now. I probably can, but I just don't want to. I really ain't supposed to, but I've been doing a little treatment I was talking about, man, to get them to dry faster. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, we are in the 80s. There's gonna be something slight. I don't know what it's gonna go. I just wanted to at least get this on. I want to at least get this on camera, you know what I'm saying? And as y'all can see, man, we are in the city, man. In the city with a POV drive in the city. With the windows up for the first time. You know what I'm saying? With the windows up, man. I'll make a little noise. Just a little bit. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K. Get the boy to 10K the quick way. And I got 300 miles to eat, man. What y'all know doing in the scat? A catless scat. I seen it was a track car. I was just at the other light, man. You see some crazy cars in the A, bro. Like, that's why it's so motivational, bro. Like, look how they look, bro. Like, a big building, bro. POVs would go so crazy. Cari crew, if I stayed, if I was up here more, bro, I ain't been to the A in a long time, bro. Been over a month. 2 months, really. Been like 2 months, bro, since I've been up here. Let me give y'all a little noise, man. Bro, the echo crazy, I hear it. All them people, bro, I can hear that jump, bro. Through the window. Get 12. POV drive ATL, man. POV drive through Atlanta, man. Downtown Atlanta, there. I know it's a little more boring with the windows up, man. But we gotta, you know what I'm saying? We gotta make do what it do, Cari crew. I couldn't pass up, at least not getting a little bit on footage for y'all, man, to show y'all that I was here. You know what I'm saying? That I did it, you know what I'm saying? Oh, light yellow. I'm still in manual mode. Cari crew, man, I had to take a phone call, man, but hey, I see we on the highway with it. Windows still up, man. Oh, stop. The nigga behind me, please stop. Ooh, boy, I was looking at a rear view, boy. Hey, you missing the headlight too? Let me get on, man. That's what I be talking about, bro. With the A, you gotta worry about shit like that. Damn, boy. Ooh. Nigga, doing it for y'all, Cari crew, man. Above and beyond, face out. Yeah, Cari crew, man. I'm trying to focus right quick. I ain't really talking about. Y'all just tap in. It's gonna be something slight, man. I had to catch this on footage, bro. I want to do it anyway. I gotta come back up that way though. what I'm saying? Get some collabs in on my partner, man. There's some collabs. And look at that old school, bro. Well, that real deal Holyfield facing. But yeah, I'm trying to look the light off. Don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. A lot of that radar going stupid, Cari crew. They're going stupid. I'm on the way to pull up on my partner though, man. They're a little on the outside. They're a little on the outside. I'm trying to get over. Man, you gotta bully your way out this bit. And I'm finna get in the HOV lane. Oh snap! Oh, well, I made sure, boy. You be riding this bit, boy. You'll get on it. You don't know what the hell you at. I should put the head mount on, but it's so dark. I don't know how y'all see. I can cut up a little bit. I might do. Let me see. I'm gonna be on this for a minute, might well. Oh, look at that guy. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. It always be Ultima, bro. They always want to ride like everybody else. Like, look at them. Maximum and Ultima. How y'all want to do a ride? Like, what they put in no car? Crack? That radar just beeping away, cuz. Little Camaro. Little night POV, man, in the city. Well, in the city, but now we're on the highway. Yeah, Cari crew, man. I might give y'all a little pull and eco. Now we got a little spread. Oh, I might not. Never mind. That was very funny. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little pull, man. I might give y'all a light one. Ain't gonna be no high speed. I'm gonna give y'all a quick one, man. Nowhere near throttle, nothing. But that's my first time really hitting my car, bro, with the window, like doing it on purpose, hitting the windows, like having the window all the way up. Usually I still crack it either way. But that mother, it sound crazy. With the windows up, it's still loud. That's wild. But yeah, man, that was a little night POV, man. Something, you know what I'm saying? Slight. Yeah, man, I'm finna pop out with them boys. Man, I don't know, they probably be the end of the video or not, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button on the road. The 10K, man. Get your boy the 10K the quick way. Quick little nice POV for y'all, man, in the city, man. I'm gonna give y'all a better one, man. Just bear with me. But I had to catch it on footage while I could, man. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, man, y'all just make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay blessed, man. Stay prayed up, my religious folk. You know what I'm saying? Keep going for your goals and dreams, man. And don't let nobody tell you no. Just have a plan, execute. You know what I'm saying? A good plan, execute. You feel me? But like I also said on the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.